So let me walk you through this translation code actually very quickly. So translation is here, and if you see the same kind of stuff I am importing, and let's start from the bottom, from the return function. So this is the HTML which I am saying the select drop down, wherein I am asking him to select which language you want. Then I am asking user to select the destination language, and then this is the placeholder actually, sorry, and the prompt which I want ChatGPT to understand what I want from him, and the button, the blue button, this blue button, generate text. When I click on that, it will go to generate text. This function asynchronously it will call to OpenAI.create completion, and it will get the response in this variable. Okay, so this is the format actually. Don't worry about the code, I will provide this code to you, and then it will put the text, translated text, into the use state. Using the use state, it will send the here at the bottom, yeah, generated text like this. Okay, so this is the smaller code which I have written in the React.js actually. So I will provide this code also. You can write this code in Node.js, you can write in PHP, Java, anywhere, any language. Okay, so this is what was related to the translation.